Hey guys, I'm Brett with Overlanders HQ Adventures. On today's video, we're talking pressurized water. So one of the questions you may be asking yourself is, how do I get pressurized water out on the trail? You know, you want to have water to take a shower, wash some dishes, do whatever you need to do, but have some force behind that water instead of just pouring something out of a jerry can. There's kind of two ways to do this. You can do this with an electric pump, like you would see in a fifth wheel or an RV, or you can use a self-pressurizing water system from Waterport. What's cool about these systems is they require no electricity and they're self-pressurizing. When you connect the hose to a water port, it has a pressure regulator that regulates the amount of pressure that's going into the tank. This shuts off the flow of water before the pressure gets too great or overfills the tank. Simply connect the hose to the regulator to the tank, turn on the hose, wait for the water to stop flowing, turn off all the valves, and you're ready to go. Another great feature of the Waterport is they are self-heating as well. If you choose to mount your system where they can capture some of that sunlight, the water will absorb some of that radiant heat coming from the sun, and you will have pressurized hot water for a shower. So in this build for this customer, all the typical mounting locations for a Waterport weren't going to work. So what we had to do is use some angle iron, flat pieces of steel, and mount that to an existing divider inside the vehicle. Alright guys, so we now have our system pressurized. Turn the system on. We're ready for a shower. If you guys are interested in your own Waterport system, check us out at overlandershq.com. Come by the store. We're at the corner of Cypress and Victor in Redding. Or check us out on Facebook /Overlanders HQ. We'll see you out on the trail next time.